What to do when ice removal is difficult in winter? Let me teach you a little trick. First, take out this A-25 flamethrower and a barrel of gasoline. Then open the fuel tank and fill it up. Close the lid. After turning on the switch, you can remove ice. Isn't it very convenient? This one is the M2 flamethrower. It is a US individual carried and backpack-mounted flamethrower. The burning time is only about 47 seconds. The effective burning range of the flame is only about 50 meters. The last one is our domestically produced Type 74 flamethrower. It weighs 20 kilograms. The maximum range is 40 to 45 meters. The sprayed petroleum material has good concentration. It is not easy to disperse and burns fiercely. And the muzzle temperature is low and does not burn your hand after spraying.